Soft studio lights glow across a deep blue background as the camera slowly drifts forward. In the center of the frame stands a white luxury sports coupe, untouched, perfect, and commanding the space like a piece of modern art. The view begins wide, a full farand view that captures the car's presence from bumper to bumper. The sleek body lines, the sharp stance, the polished curves, everything forms a shape that feels both elegant and aggressive at the same time. A calm cinematic voice begins. In a world where power meets precision, where design meets emotion, one machine rises above the rest. The camera continues to move in a slow, floating motion, circling the car as soft reflections dance on the glossy white paint. The atmosphere is quiet, almost ceremonial, as if this moment belongs only to the machine and the audience watching. The white circular decal on the side appears clearly, and the shadows around the tires give the car a grounded, muscular look. Scene 2 Side View Reveal. As the camera glides to the left, the full side view comes into frame. The car looks longer, lower, sharper. The sculpted doors show the artistry behind the design. The curved roofline drops smoothly toward the rear, giving the coupe a feeling of constant motion even while standing still. The black side mirrors add contrast, and the alloy rims spin slowly, reflecting the studio lights like polished metal. The narrator continues, "Perfection isn't achieved in a single stroke. It is crafted through patience, shaped through experience, and perfected through engineering that pushes boundaries." A slow camera slide reveals the wheels in detail, each spoke designed for both style and performance. The light brushes over the body, highlighting curves, edges, and aerodynamic lines, showing the precision of every surface. Scene 3 Front and Rear Power Shots. The camera sweeps around to the front. The LED headlights glow softly, sharp and full of attitude. The wide black honeycomb grille dominates the center, giving the car a bold, confident presence. The scenes cut to close-ups, edges of the lights, texture of the grille, air vents sculpted into the bumper. Every angle tells a story of strength, a story of purpose. The camera then moves toward the back view. The taillights create a thin red line across the rear, modern and futuristic. The bumper's sporty design, the dual exhausts, the muscular fenders, everything blends into one powerful silhouette. The narrator adds, "Performance isn't just measured in speed. It is measured in emotion, in the feeling you get long before the engine starts." The car stands still, but the atmosphere feels charged, as if something great is about to happen. Scene 4 Interior Experience. The doors unlock with a soft click, and the camera gently transitions inside. The interior lights glow, revealing a premium black leather cabin with beautiful white stitching. The dashboard is modern and clean, hosting a fully digital instrument panel. The steering wheel, with its flat bottom, looks ready for action. The narrator lowers his tone. Inside, the world slows down. Comfort becomes your companion. Control becomes your voice. The camera moves across the cabin, showing the elegant metallic trims, the large touchscreen, the refined center console, and the perfectly designed buttons. It glides over the seats, sporty yet luxurious, crafted for long journeys and tight corners alike. A soft ambient glow outlines the dashboard as the narrator continues. Every button, every screen, every line has one purpose: to connect the driver with the road. Scene 5 Awakening of Power. Suddenly, the studio darkens. Only the car remains illuminated. A deep rumble fills the space. The engine has awakened. The headlights brighten sharply. The taillights glow stronger. The reflections intensify as the floor lights flicker to life. The narrator speaks with rising energy. Power doesn't just move you. It transforms you. The camera circles the car again from a farand view, capturing the full body with its lights blazing. The white paint shines, the wheels glint, and the car feels alive, like a creature ready to run. Scene 6 Closing Moment. The camera slowly pulls back, giving one final dramatic wide shot. The car stands alone in the dark blue studio, its lights fading into a calm glow. A reflective silence fills the air. The narrator closes. This is not just a car. This is a masterpiece of design. A symbol of performance. A journey waiting to begin. The lights dim. The silhouette remains. Fade to black.